What's up with it, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. So I got this new tool, pretty decent. I got some new bags. Some new bags. So I'm not gonna time lapse it. I'm just gonna do what I do because I feel like I'm getting rusty. Ain't nobody been calling for a lockout, so you know you gotta keep going with your little talent. This ain't no talent though. This is regular, just get in and get it. But yeah, door locked. I'm gonna take it down. Bag, everything. Take about 5-10 minutes the most. Voila. Let's see how long it took. 2 minutes. It was 2 minutes on there. That's it. Just with this. So really, let me zip that up. Y'all see my little zipper? Ah! My little snake trying to peek out. But yeah, that's why I don't charge that much. You know what I'm saying? Sacramento, California, 916-279 area code. Yeah, $50-$60 depending on who you are. Nah, I'm messing with you. But that was easy like that. You know what I'm saying? Y'all tap in with me. Let's get me rolling. $50-$60. That ain't bad, man. And I'm coming like this. You call AAA, AAA gonna have you waiting there for 3 hours. And they gonna even if it ain't AAA. What if it's somebody else? Just a regular roadside tow truck. You know what I'm saying? They gonna charge $125. Bet me right now. If I'm lying, I ain't dying. Nah, if I'm lying, I'm dying. We all say that. Ain't nobody dying. Ain't nobody dying around this camp. But man, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, man, for more. I'm almost at 100 subscribers, man. Tap in, man. Tap in. And thank you, subscribers thank you to the subscribers that is subscribed to the channel, man. I appreciate y'all, man. I'm gone, man. Tap in.